Here at Trade of the Day, we're dedicated to showing new traders how to trade like a pro without the anxiety, without the BS. And here's the first thing you need to know. Profitable trading is simple if you know what you're doing. Unfortunately, most new traders rush in blind and lose their money. That's where we come in. We'll show you how the best traders in the world consistently win in any market environment. Bull market, bear market, flat market. With our beginners, hacks, and smart speculations, market direction doesn't matter. Our library of short, easy to understand videos gives you the foundation you need for long-term trading success. For example, our Trade Talk Tuesday videos will show you how to identify winning chart patterns like W and M patterns and give you the tools you need to find future Wall Street winners before anyone else. Then we have our Trash or Stash videos, which take a popular stock, puts it through our rigorous analysis, and tells you whether to stash it away in your portfolio for massive future gains or throw it onto the trash heap. And then we have our Simply Explained videos, which guide you through the practical steps of becoming a trader. Everything from how to set up your trading account to how to place your first trade, complete with all the beginner trading tips you need to hit the ground running. And because this is a trading channel, we'll also be giving you actual live stock picks as well. All of our videos are based on pro trading strategies from seasoned traders, like myself, who's a former CBOE floor trader, and my partner, Karim, who's a 30-year trading veteran and best-selling financial author. Our goal is to give you the skills you need to generate daily wealth. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to spruce up your knowledge on technical chart patterns or someone just getting started in the market looking for tips on stock trading for beginners. More than anything, I want you to feel that toe-curling rush of adrenaline you get when you hit your first winning trade. I still feel that rush today. It's what gets me up in the morning, and it's what we want you to experience by following us here at Trade of the Day. And luckily for you, that all starts today. Just click the subscribe button and get notified every time we post a new video, and then you're set up for success. And don't forget to check back often because we post new video episodes every single week. Above all, get ready, future millionaire trader, because your journey to financial independence starts now. And as always, stop hating, start trading. See you again soon.